Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about a smart and profitable way to grow tomatoes, vertically. Whether you're a backyard grower or a small-scale commercial farmer, this method helps you maximize space, increase yields, and improve tomato quality. In this few-minute training, I'll walk you through why vertical growing works, how to do it step by step, and essential tips for getting the most out of your crop. Let's jump right in. Growing tomatoes vertically simply means training your plants to grow upward using support systems like stakes, cages, or trellises instead of sprawling on the ground. Here's why it's worth it. Maximizes space. Great for small gardens or high-density planting. Reduces disease risk. Better air circulation keeps leaves dry, easier harvesting and maintenance, increases yield per plant. Healthier plants equals sign more fruit cleaner. Higher quality tomatoes, no soil contact, less blemish. Now that you know why, let's see how it's done. Start with indeterminate tomato varieties. These grow tall and produce fruit continuously over the season. Popular choices include Roma cherry tomatoes. Beefsteak. Avoid determinate types. They're bushy and not ideal for vertical training. Pick a sunny spot. Tomatoes need at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Use well-draining, fertile soil rich in organic matter. Add compost and organic fertilizer before planting. pH should be around 6.0–6.8. Set up your vertical structure at planting time. You have options. Stakes, simple and cheap. Use 6–8 feet wooden or metal stakes. Cages, provide all-around support, great for wind-prone areas. Trellises, ideal for rows, strong and expandable. Make sure your support is sturdy and tomato plants get heavy. Space plants about 18–24 inches apart. As the plant grows, tie the main stem loosely to the stake or trellis using soft twine or clips. Tie every 6–8 inches vertically. This keeps the plant growing upright and prevents breakage. Prune suckers. These are the small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. Why? Suckers drain energy from fruit production. Remove them weekly for better airflow and higher yield. Use a balanced fertilizer like October 10th, 10 during early growth. Switch to a low nitrogen, high potassium mix when flowering starts to boost fruiting. Deep water 2–3 times a week. Avoid wetting the leaves. Use drip irrigation if possible. Inconsistent watering causes split fruit and blossom end rot. Pick tomatoes when they're fully colored but still firm. Frequent picking encourages the plant to produce more. Track planting dates, yields, and expenses. This helps you analyze profit margins and improve every season. Fresh tomatoes fetch higher prices when clean and damage-free. Consider packaging in small baskets or bunches for markets. To wrap up, vertical tomato growing is a high-efficiency method that saves space, reduces disease, boosts yields, and makes your tomatoes more marketable. Quick recap: choose indeterminate varieties. Use strong vertical supports. Prune and train the plant regularly. Water and feed consistently. Harvest smart for top profits. Start small, experiment, and grow from there. With the right techniques, your tomato garden can become a powerful source of income. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.